Imagine you're sitting in a dimly lit room, surrounded by stacks of cryptocurrencies. A mysterious voice, echoing through the shadows, asks, "Can I buy Beam on Coinbase?" That's a great question, and one that many people have been asking. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Beam and Coinbase, and see if it's possible to purchase Beam on this popular cryptocurrency exchange. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Beam and Coinbase are. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that uses Mimblewumble technology to ensure that transactions remain anonymous. Coinbase, on the other hand, is one of the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges, offering a wide range of digital assets to buy and sell. So, can you buy Beam on Coinbase? Unfortunately, the answer is no. As of right now, Coinbase does not support the trading of Beam. This could be due to a variety of reasons, such as technical limitations or regulatory concerns. Exploring alternatives. But don't worry, there are still other ways to purchase Beam. Here are a few popular options. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs like Uniswap and PancakeSwap allow you to trade directly with other users, bypassing the need for a centralized exchange like Coinbase. Peer-to-peer exchanges, platforms like Local Bitcoins connect buyers and sellers directly, allowing you to purchase Beam from individuals. Beam's official website, Beam itself may offer direct purchasing options or partnerships with other exchanges. Security considerations. When buying Beam on any platform, it's important to prioritize security. Always use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams. Research the reputation of the exchange or platform you're using to ensure it's trustworthy. So, while you can't currently buy Beam on Coinbase, there are plenty of other options available to you. Whether you choose a decentralized exchange, a peer-to-peer platform, or directly from Beam's website, the key is to do your research and take the necessary precautions to protect your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.